Hello everyone, this is Scorpion from How to Do, and this video is on the request of my star subscriber, my best subscriber, because he is the one and only donator who donates me money, because he's the only one donator, so he is my best subscriber. His name is Bold Frog, and he asked me that can I make a menu of a game in which you have these levels, and the levels are locked, and you have to play the levels to unlock the others. So you're going to make this in this video. I have already released 2 videos on this subject, and we have made lots of that in that previous video. But in this video, we're just gonna see how to make the lock and unlock system. As you have seen, when we played the game, the level 2 was locked, and when we completed the level 1, level 2 is unlocked, but still the level 3 is locked. And if we play level 2 and complete level 2, which is just this much, and we get this box, and there we go, level 3 is unlocked. So that is what we are going to make today. Yeah, let's get started. So this was what we made in our previous videos. This was the main menu. Actually there are 2 parts of the menu. One is the main menu, and the other one is the level selection menu, like this one. So you can see there are 3 levels, 1, 2 and 3. However, we did not made any locking system in here, so when you play the game, all of these 3 are unlocked. That is what we made in the previous video. So now we are going to make some kind of a lock system. So first thing what we want to do is we want to make sure the level 2 and level 3 are both locked at first, because we don't want them to unlock, right? Because when the game starts, the level 2 and level 3 should be locked. Only one will be unlocked, right? So what I wanna do is let's start off by adding, let's just go to our level 1. Let's just go to our level 1 and come in here, zoom in here, and there we go. Now we have to have some kind of a level completion thing. It may be collecting some stars or collecting some coins. So if you collect 3 coins, your level is up, or you can just go ahead and say enter any destination, something like that. So let me just go ahead and say, if we come over here, or we can just say create 3 object, a cube, bring this cube over here, there we go, bring it little up. So this cube right here, if we have to just collect this cube, we have to just come over here and collect this cube right here. If we come in here and touch this cube, our level 1 will be completed. Let's just say that. Alright, let me just go ahead quickly give it a material, or I think I should not give it. There we go. Let's just call this level end. There we go. And we have to go ahead and say add component and add an FSM. If you don't have Playmaker FSM, go ahead, click the link in the description box below and download FSM Playmaker for free, and then you have to import and install it, and you are good to go. Now make sure that this box collider is on trigger, and then go ahead and go to FSM and say edit. Now in here you want to say trigger event, and you want to make sure your character, that in my case this is this one, make sure it is on the player tag. So go ahead, go to tag and make sure it's on player. Alright, so when the tag of player collides with this trigger, then we are going to send event. I'm gonna say level change. Alright, level change. I'll bring it up a little and add a transition, level change, add a new state, and there we go. Now here what we want to do is we want to add some kind of a new variable. Now that variable will be global, so that we can use it on other FSMs and other scenes and all that, so that it becomes global. So make sure you choose bool in here, and you want to say level 2 unlock. There we go, level 2 unlock. And we are going to do the same thing over here. Just copy the name, or just say level 3 unlock. Alright, so level 2 unlock and level 3 unlock. So by default, when it's over here, let's say bool, set bool value, and when the game starts, the level 2 unlock should be false, like this. So bool value is false, this is true and this is false. So level 2 is unlocked, no it's not, so it's false. And we're gonna copy paste and make sure level 3 is also false. Level 3 unlock, no it's false. There we go. Now we are going to go ahead and copy these two guys, and when we finish the level, we're going to say level 2 is unlocked. There we go. And level 3 is still unlocked because it will be still locked, because when we complete the level 2, then level 3 is unlocked. Alright, so let's just say next event, next frame event, and say level change, add that transition, add a new state, and I'm gonna say now we have to go ahead and say load level, not this one. We wanna say load level, and the level which you want to load is right now is you can say the menu. Alright, in my case it's called tutorial. Let me just go ahead and save that. So we wanna load this level. Alright, this menu level. There you go, you can see we want to load this one. Okay, so copy the name, Control C, there we go. Come back to level 1, and where is it, end the level, and I want to load tutorial. So if you play now, or if I go in here and start from here, make sure you do that. Make sure your main menu is enabled and level is disabled. Go to scene and build settings, and make sure you drag and drop the tutorial all the levels you are using over here, all the scenes you're using over here. So I'm using this tutorial scene for the menu in level 1, 2, 3. Make sure you do that, save the scene and play, and let's see does that works or not. So play the game, level 1, and if I jump in here, and if I can go where we have to end the level, there we go, there is that. And as you can see, the level is loaded, and if we say play game, and there we go. So the main thing is that the level loads. However, we want to make that look like, let me just quickly go ahead and let me tell you what I want. Play the game again and play it there and there, there and there. Oh yeah, so as you can see, when the level ends, we don't want to come to this screen, we want to come to this screen. Alright, so how to do that? I think that simplest thing is you can just Control D that, and let me just go ahead and rename this guy to main menu, this scene to main menu, and this one to level selection menu. Alright, so this is the main menu and this is the level selection menu. Make sure you go to build settings and drag and drop this level selection menu in there too, and then you can just go ahead and copy the name of this guy. So Control C, there we go. Go to level 1 and go to end level, edit, and come in here and paste the name over here. There we go. Now you will see, if we play the game, it will make sure that we can go to level selection menu. Okay, like that. There we go. Shit, what the heck, I think something's wrong. Something is wrong. Okay, see, this one should be enabled, and in here this one should be enabled, right? In this, the level selection menu should be enabled and the main menu disabled, and in the main menu the vice versa will happen. Alright, so now you will see it will quite nicely work. Come on, there we go. Jump, bam, and bam. Come back little, jump, bam, and there we go, level selections. Alright, now we want to make some kind of a level lock system, because we can go in any any level we want to go. So how to do that? Let's just go ahead and okay, now if we go to level end, you can see that when the level starts, whenever the level will start, the bool values will be false. So it means the level 2 and level 3 are locked right now, and when we come in here, the level 2 will unlock. Okay, and level 3 is still unlocked. Alright, so we can copy this FSM, copy this guy, or we can just go ahead and copy this whole level end game object. So say copy, there we go, and we can go to level 2, save it, and we can say paste. There we go, here is the level end, and we want to change the position of this guy because the character is over here, so we can bring it little over here like that. I'm just going to make it simple, so I don't want to make all of this fuss. You see, I don't want to make different levels, but you can make different levels if you want, but I don't want to do that. So here we go. When our character comes in here and when it takes this guy, I'm gonna delete that, alright, because level 2 should be unlocked. So it is level 2, so it does not means that we can use it right now. So do that, and level 3 is unlocked over here, and that is that. I guess that's that. So level 3 is locked right now when the level 2 starts, and when we end level 2, the level 3 is unlocked. There we go. Awesome. We can save that, and now what we can do is we can go to level selection over here. Level selection over here, we can go to level selection menu. We can come in this view. There we go. And now what we can do is we can go ahead and go to level 2 in here, and I'm gonna say edit. This one was for when we click this button right here, which you can see right now. If we click this guy, we will go to play game, but not that much straight. We want to check that first, so we want to go ahead and make a new state over here, and when we click it, we come in here and we want to say bool test. Bool test. There we go. And the bool which we want to test is the global one, which was level 2 unlocked. And if it is true, then we want to say load level, and if it is false, we want to say finished. So if it's false, come back, and if it is true, then go ahead and go say load level. So what is happening is here, when we click, we come in here and we check whether level 2 is unlocked. If it is unlocked, then we can come in here and play the game. Otherwise, we come back and the level 2 is not done that. Alright, so we can go ahead and copy this this action, Control C, there we go, and go to level 3 and come in here, and we can go ahead and create a new state in here and paste the action and change it to level 3 unlocked, and do the same thing. There we go, load the level over here and say finished, come back. There we go. Awesome. Now now it will actually kind of work. However, I want to go ahead and Control C both of them, or we can say copy, just like that, and which scene it is level selection, right? So we want to go to main menu, save it, and in here we want to go ahead and delete them and paste which we made right now, so that the thing get updates, and so the both level gets updated. Alright, so both of them have the same thing going on. As you can see, if I come in here and I go to say edit, there we go, there's that. Awesome. Now if we go ahead and say main menu, save it, come in here, play the game, and you will see it will quite nicely work actually. Play the game. What the heck? Okay, sorry guys, something went wrong actually. Something went wrong. Okay, I shouldn't have done that. Alright, I shouldn't have deleted them, and the mistake has done. Okay, why are they not being shown? What the heck, man? Didn't I just did it right? Delete them, come back to level selection, save it. We can see it right here, right? we can see the level 1 as well as level 2 and level 3. We can copy these guys, we can come into main menu, we can go ahead and do that, we can go ahead do that, and we can go ahead and paste that. There we go, now you can see it. Bam, awesome. Something went wrong, and I don't know why, but yeah, okay, now it's good. So awesome, we can save it. There we go, and we can play the game and see whether it is working or not. So play the game, and if we say play level 2, it will not work, and level 3 not at all. So level 2 and level 3 are actually locked, and when we say level 1, there we go, we can play the level 1. If we complete the level 1, let me just go ahead and complete it. There we go, and we can see we can, if we select level 3, it's not gonna play, but if we say level 2, there we go, level 2 is unlocked. And if I go ahead and do that, we can also play level 3 right now, because okay because it's unlocked. However, there is no way to see whether the levels are unlocked or not. So we want to add some kind of a GUI to tell you guys that it is locked. So for that I used this lock thing. You can go ahead and get it from anywhere you want, like go to Google and say lock PNG, go to images, and you can find all of these things. I think I used this one, this third one, and there you go. You can say save image as, and it will save it as PNG. Then drag and drop it inside Unity, and you will have this. You can go ahead and go to texture type and set it to sprite 2D and UI and say apply, and that will be do it. Okay, so now you have to do is you have to come in here, come to level 2, and say right click UI image. Alright, there we go, there is the image. Now we want to drag and drop the lock inside over here. There we go, the lock is actually inside here, but you can see it's pretty stretched up, so we want to go ahead and do that a bit. We can bring it little up, and we can bring it little small. So there we go, level 2 is that. We can also match the color, match the transparency, and I think it looks good. Bam. We can also decrease it a bit, and there we go, looks awesome. So now it looks like it is actually you know, locked. So let's just go ahead and set that to lock, and we can go ahead and say FSM, and you want to say bool test, and bool test, and I want to say when the global bool lock to unlock level 2 unlock is true, we want to say unlock. There we go, every frame unlock. There we go, and we're gonna say activate game object user owner to disable. So whenever the level will be unlocked, this guy will be disabled. There we go, that's that. Make sure you do it every frame so that it calculates every frame. Control C that, delete, sorry, paste, and Control V that. There we go, and say edit. In here we want to just change level 2 unlock to level 3 unlock, and that is that. Now we can copy these two, copy, and go to main menu, and this guy, enable this, disable that, come in level 2, and paste, and this one in here, well, let me just quickly check if it's nice, great, awesome. Save the scene, disable this one, enable this one, again save the scene, and play the game, and you will see it will actually kind of work. Play game. There we go, 2 are unlocked and we cannot play them. Level 1, play level 1 and complete it, and there we go, and there we go, level 2 is unlocked, it is locked still, and level 2 is unlocked. And if we complete level 2, and level 3 is unlocked also, and now we can play level 3, and we can also die like that, and bam and wham. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, then subscribe to my channel, which is how to do. If you want, you can also donate me some money through PayPal. The link to that is in the description box below. And yeah, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, be cool.